Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. Oh, we've got a killer GTO here today. You see these amazing colors, black with a red interior. Well, it was born that way. I just assumed somebody made it look this way, but it was born black with a red interior, Pontiac Historical, documented. It's a number match GTO 400 4-speed car, 355 posi, ground up restored, $9,800 engine rebuild recently. It's a number match motor. It has some nice upgrades. We'll tell you all about it in just a minute. You can go to volocars.com. That's where you can look at all the pictures top to bottom, read the information. You'll find a price tag on every car along with the monthly finance option if you go to volocars.com. If you enjoy the videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on the bell icon. You'll be notified when new ones are posted. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. Okay, underneath this car is really impressive. First of all, the floor pans, the braces, the inner rockers, dry, clean metal. And it looks to me like it's all original dry, clean metal. The suspension's been completely rebuilt and upgraded. I don't know what company built it or offered the suspension, but it's got the complete tubular front control arms with coilover shocks, fatter sway bar. In back, it's got the custom upper and lower control arms and the lowering springs, and has Bilstein gas shocks. So the whole car is lowered, all custom suspension, front and back, all new. Steering is rebuilt. Has a great sounding Flowmaster exhaust with the X-pipe, and it has the GTO splitter tips coming through the valance down here. Disc brakes in front. The e-brake assembly is all hooked up. Gas tank is real clean. You look up at the motor, it's spotless. I think it's a high torque starter. I'll confirm that. It has the Muncie 4-speed transmission. It's all clean and been apart and rebuilt. Hurst shift linkage in there. Drive shaft's rebuilt. Has a 355 posi rear end. The Pontiac calls it the safety track. So underneath this car is really nice, and it has some really nice upgrades. I like the lowered stance that it has. It handles so much better than a stock 70 GTO would have. Now let's check out the body. It's black, so of course black doesn't hide anything. Well, this thing is straight. First of all, the hood lines up square and flush. This is a rubber bumper, and it fits really well. Gaps are nice and square, actually very nice and square. Bumper fits great. Looking down the side of the car, it is straight. Like I said, it's a black car. It doesn't hide anything. There is some sort of problem area right here. They must have done some repair right in here. It's got a little texture, so something going on there. This is all clean metal, smooth. There's no rust, no bubbles. All clean around here, all straight. No issues, lines up nice. Square lines on the trunk. Little texture right here on the corner, little something going on there. All nice and clean, square, straight. All the way down to the bottom, around the wheel well. All clean, look how nice that door fits. Key buzzer works. All smooth, clean, all nice, 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 nice. The paint itself is polished out beautifully. It has a mirror-like reflection. Now, with that said, I'm sure there's some imperfections, but I mean, it's really nice. Like here's a little, I don't even call it a nick. Might even rub off on the paint. The nose, really nice. It's not cracked. The paint, usually the paint's cracked on these. Here's a couple hairline cracks right here in the paint, not the bumper. Grills are real nice. Headlight bezels are real nice. It does have the stripes on here. It's a decal. I think that really makes the car pop. That's the cherry on top. The 400 GTO stickers. The windshield, real nice and clear. The vinyl top is in excellent shape. The stainless trim is straight and shiny. Door handle's shiny. Yeah, this is all real nice. I don't see any bumps under the vinyl. The back window is real clear too. We got Rally 2 wheels on here. Looks like they're nice and wide. They are 15-inch. Has the correct Pontiac lug nuts and the center caps. BF Goodrich tires look nice and meaty. Back bumper's been rechromed, but there's some light on the surface, some light marks, light scratches. We just pulled it in from the cold, so just me touching it made it fog up a little bit. The lenses look real nice. It's got a remote mirror that's optional. That's real nice. Unfortunately, this piece of trim just slid down and got kinked under the door here, so we will order this trim. That will be replaced. So there is a chip on the paint right there, and there's also some chips on the edge of the hood over there that are touched up. So the outside of the car is stunning. Let's get inside and see what that looks like. Okay, we got some bonuses for you in the trunk here. First of all, the bottom of the trunk lid is glossy, the latch is clean, it has the stickers, the jambs are painted nice and slick, got new weather strip, and look at all the extras it comes with. New sill plates, console insert, a whole bunch of miscellaneous. There's a new remote mirror in the box here, the original AM radio, a bag full of money, obviously a car cover. Yeah, just a bunch of miscellaneous hardware. The kick panels, because they put speaker kick panels. We'll show you that in a minute. So obviously that goes with it. Aside from that, you got a complete trunk. You have the spare with a tire cover, the mat. The trunk compartment's real solid, spatter painted nicely. So, and it's got a jack. Looks like a restored jack as well. So it's got everything you need, plus extras. Don't take the colors lightly on this car. Black with red interior is just stunning, and if it didn't have the Pontiac Historical papers to prove it, I would have bet someone changed it. But anyway, the door jambs are slick, the bottom of the door is clean, the weather strips are replaced, the door panels look new, the window cranks look new. The dash pad is in really nice shape. I have no issues with that. One little crack way up on top here. It's flat. It's not even curled or anything. We do have a gauge cluster, kind of dark, hard to see. Tachometer, controls, the wood grain, the machine turn trim, all beautiful. It's a retro stereo. Must be a voice command because there's the microphone. Glove box light works. These are the kick panel speakers I was talking about. You got reproduction mats, nice new red carpet, really nice center console here with the Hurst shifter. This is the deluxe steering wheel. The seats, I believe, have been recushioned because it has nice firm cushion in them and reupholstered. It does have all the seat belts front and back, it looks like. Got the mats in back, the upholstery, the side panels, window cranks, all that's in great shape. Has the correct mesh speaker tray in back. The headliner is nice and tight and clean, and the dome light works. Pretty darn nice interior. Yeah, overall, this is not a nut and bolt, type of show car, but it's really nice. It's a good, clean, straight, nice fitting, nice car. Okay, like I said, we do have the receipt for the engine rebuild. There's actually 2 receipts that add up just under 10 grand. But the numbers on the engine do match the car, and I've checked the casting code, so it is the number match motor. It's been rebuilt, bored, balanced. They did put some Edelbrock Performer aluminum heads on here, Edelbrock intake, and then a big giant dual feed. It looks like a Holly carb, looks like a shiny carb with electric choke. Distributors hiding in the back. It has some nice coated Custom headers. Here's some of that custom suspension I talked about, polyurethane bushings. The engine compartment's nice and clean. The shroud, the plastic, everything's real nice. Got a disconnect. It's an Optima gel battery with a nice disconnect when you go away or park it for a couple weeks. Always a good idea. Chrome alternator, power steering, power brakes. Nice clean motor compartment. Strong running engine too. I just realized I'm dressed to match. Maybe I'll keep this one for myself. I would. This is that type of car. It's going to get compliments anywhere you go. It's that nice, but yet you're not too afraid to drive it. 4-speed, colors, off the charts nice. And I bragged about the engine rebuild. That was just done this year in 2022. So it's a fresh engine build. You'll heard it back out. It was still cold. It's freezing outside. I tell you, when this thing warms up for a few minutes, it's just a beast of a motor. It runs strong. So there you have it. I think it's a very unique opportunity here to buy an awesome GTO. Go to volocars.com. That's where you can talk to the salesman. They'll help get this delivered. We use Autobahn Transport for our delivery. The salesman can help set that up. They can help you finance this car. You go to volocars.com. If you enjoy the video, subscribe, click on the YouTube, or click on the bell icon. You'll be notified as the new ones are posted. Thanks for watching. You like that? Like that through in Autobahn?